time, speed and distance. I'll do it in case wise. Case 1. See, a train started from point A. Train started from point A. Another train started from point B. They both met at a point C. They both met at a point C. Met at a point C. Speed of A, I'll call it as SA. Speed of B, I'll call it as SB. Time taken from C to B by A, I'll call it as TA. Time taken from C to A by B, I'll call it as TB. TA is not the time taken from A to B, time taken from the meeting point to the B. TB is the time taken from C to A, not from B. Then the relationship is given by SA by SB equivalent to root of TB by TA. Please put a star mark on this. I'll prove it. SA by SB equivalent to root of TB by TA. There are two cases when they both start at the same time. They both started at the same time. They both started at the same time. After meeting, they travel unequal times. There are two cases. Started at the same time. After meeting, they will travel unequal times. Proof. Please write down the proof. Proof. Now see here, very simple one-line proof. Here is the point. They started at the same time. If they both started at the same time, speed ratio equivalent to distance ratio, SA by SB equivalent to distance it will travel before meeting is D from A to C, B will travel from B to C. D from A to C. The distance, whatever the distance A traveled before meeting is traveled by B after meeting. After meeting, how much distance is SB into TB. The distance traveled by B before meeting is traveled by A after meeting. So this is SA by SB whole square equivalent to TB by TA. Therefore it is SA by SB equivalent to root of TB by TA. Please write down. Whatever A traveled before meeting B is traveled by B after meeting A. SA by SB equivalent to root of TB by TA. Root of TB by TA. Every problem is important, sir. There are two cases, both the trains started at the same time. After meeting, they will travel unequal times. In case 2, both of them started at unequal times. After meeting, they traveled equal times. SA by SB equivalent to root of TB by TA. SA by SB equivalent to root of TB by TA. Right. To explain this one, let us solve a problem. From here to here, A to B. Meeting point is C. Meeting point is C. I think in algebra workshop 2, which question it is, sir? 34. 34. 34. 34. 34. I think we can also create one more question. Now see here. 34. Find the distance. Please write down this question. Find the distance from A to B. If the distance from A to C is 100 meters, if 100 meters, and if the time taken from C to A by B is 25 seconds, and time taken from C to B by A, it is 16 seconds. 16 seconds. Both of them started at the same time. Both of them started at the same time. Both of them started at the directly we will get this one. Distance from A to C is 100. See, distance from A to C is 100. This distance is 100. This distance, who is traveling after meeting? B is traveling. B, what is the time? 25 seconds. That means this the distance I know, this is the time period I know. What is the speed of B? Speed of B is 100 by 25. This is 4 meter per second. Right. That means there is one equation, SA by SB equivalent to root of TB by TA. We don't know SA, but we know SB. SB is 4. Time taken by B is nothing but 25. Time taken by A is nothing but 16. That means SA by 4 is nothing but 5 by 4. That means SA equivalent to 5 meter per second. That means in 1 second how much it will travel? 5. After meeting, who is traveling this distance? A is traveling. What is the time taken by A to go from C to B? 16. That means by using this one, what will be the distance from B to C? 5 into 16, 80. 5 into 16, 80. 80 meters. 80 meters plus 100 meters. What is the answer? 180. 180. Please put a star mark on these questions. 180. There are two cases. Both of them started at the same time. After meeting, they travel unequal times. Unequal times. Unequal times. Case 2. I think this you can solve question number 34 in our workshop. 34. I think 34 is a direct ratio. Am I right? 34 is direct ratio. That you can solve it. See, basically these ratio related problems, it's very, very easy, sir. If you see question number 27. Please see question number 27. This is a very, very easy question. Question number 27. Then we will do case 2. Please read the question. Lot of people will use a lot of equations to solve this. A train met with an accident and traveled at 4 by 7th of its regular speed thereafter. Source is A. Source is A. Destination is B. Accident happened at point C. A train meets with an accident and travels at 4/7 of its regular speed. That means from C to B it is 4/7 of the speed. Speed is decreased. If the speed is decreased, I will take how much time more? 36 minutes late. 36 minutes late. This is the question. Now, had the accident occurred 30, had the accident occurred, had the accident occurred 30 kilometers further, instead of C, it has happened at C1. These are 30 kilometers further. 30 kilometers. Now, it is 21 minutes late. 20 minutes late. 21 minutes late. Find the regular speed of the train. Find the regular speed of the train. Now if you observe the question, from here to here, what is the speed? 4 by 7th speed. From here to here, what is the speed? Actual speed. Because after accident happened only, he went at 4 by 7th speed. That means, second case 30 kilometer went by speed, yes. First case 30 kilometer went by speed, 4 by 7th speed. Because speed is increased, he has reached time in 15 minutes, right? Early compared to 36 minutes late. Now see here, if it is 4 by 7th speed, distance equivalent to speed into time. If it is 4 by 7th, this will become 7 by 4. 7 by 4 means, if the original time is 4 minutes, on 4 minutes he is late by 3 minutes late. But according to the question, it is not 3 minutes late. It is 36 minutes late. That means actual time taken for him to go from C to B is 48 minutes. 48 minutes. Is it clear? But now here he is going at 4/7 speed. Distance equivalent to speed into time. Speed is 4/7. Time will become 7/4. 4 minutes means 3 minutes late. But I don't want 3 minutes late. I want 21 minutes late. That means, what is the time? 28 minutes. That means here he is going at 28 minutes. Total is 48 minutes. Here it is 28 minutes. What will be this one? 20 minutes. Right? So speed equivalent to distance by time. 30 divided by minutes into hours is by 60. 90. Please write.
You can explain that 4 is 4 minutes and 3 minutes late.
Right. Suppose when I say 7/4. When I say 7/4, what is the meaning of this 7/4? On day 1 I reached the destination 4 minutes. Day 2 I reached the destination 7 minutes. Compared to day 1, I am late by 3 minutes. Compared to day 1, 3 minutes late. But I want 36 minutes late. Actually, you will get directly 20. You don't need to solve. This 48, 28, you don't need to require. This is 36 minutes late, this is 21 minutes late. 36 minutes late, 21 minutes late, what is the gap? 15 minutes late. Why that 15 minutes late? Here 30 kilometers. Initially he went at 4/7 speed. Now he went at actual speed, yes. You take the same equation, 4/7, 7/4. Initially 4 minutes, now it is 3 minutes late. Now you do the multiplication factor. See, 21 minutes late, if I take this first diagram as a point of reference, how many minutes late it is? 15 minutes late. 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20. Right? 20 directly you will get it. Just once you draw the diagram, it will be very, very clear. Generally, these kind of questions will be asked, sir. Suppose, it's clear, right? Suppose, write down one more question. Because this TSD, Rafiq, sir, a cat book this to arithmetic. Please write down cat arithmetic. Right. Is clear, right? No. Next. See, this kind of questions are very easy, sir. If you suppose, next one. A person starts at 8 o'clock. A person starts at 8 o'clock, reaches a destination at 9 o'clock. Normal speed 8 and 9 o'clock. But he travels 2/3 speed. 2/3 speed. 2/3 speed is a decrease. Okay, I'll just read the question for you so that it will be very clear.
Half the distance.
Half the distance he travels at 2/3 speed instead of normal speed. Now, I'll just read the question for you. Reshma leaves home every day at 8 a.m. and reaches office at 9 a.m. Reshma leaves home every day at 8 a.m. and reaches office at 9 a.m. One day she left home at a normal time, traveled the first half of the distance at 2/3 of original speed. First half. First half. What should be the speed for second half so that she reaches office on time? What should be the speed for second half so that she will reach office on time? Now it's a very easy question. Second half, first it is decrease, so second eventually it should increase so that she will reach. Suppose she goes at a normal speed. That means at 8:30 she will be at the midpoint. But she is not going at a normal speed. She is going at a 2/3 of the speed. That means 2/3 of the speed. Speed is a decrease. That means when she reaches the midpoint of the distance, the timing will not be at 8:30. So distance equivalent to speed into time. Speed is a 2/3. This is a 3/2. That means if the original time is 2 minutes, now she will take 1 minute late. 1 minute late. Or otherwise you do simple. Speed is 2/3. Time will become 3/2. 3/2 means on original there is half extra. On original there is half extra. Originally midpoint will be at 8:30. Distance midpoint. Half means what is half of 30 minutes? 15 minutes. That means if she goes at this one, she will be at the midpoint of the distance at 8:45. Are you all with me? That means actual speed it will take 30 minutes. Actual speed 30 minutes. 8:45 to 9. How much it is? 15 minutes. 30 minutes it is actual speed. 15 minutes it should be double the speed. Double the speed. Again I am repeating. 8 o'clock, 8:30. 8 o'clock starting time. 9 o'clock destination time. Actual speed is yes. If she goes at an actual speed, she reaches the midpoint of the distance. If she midpoint of the distance at 8:30. Here to here it is yes. Now it is 2/3 yes. That means she is going slow. If she is going slow at the midpoint of the distance, midpoint it will not be 8:30. She will take little extra. Speed is 2/3. Time will become 3/2. 1 plus 1/2. That means in 30 minutes she will reach the midpoint, but she is taking half extra. What is 1/2 of 30? 15 minutes extra. That means midpoint she will reach at 8:45. 30 minutes actual speed. 15 minutes how much it is? Double the speed. Double the speed.
This can be solved by allegations.
Allegation. Right. You take the lowest value remaining as a 2/3. This is a 2/3. This is x. Right? This is 1/2.
But then the answer is not. The answer should be 2s, right, for this question?
Answer will be
2s.
2s.
But when we solve by allegations, it's not.
No. What is the ratio that you have taken? Speed is inversely proportional to time. S1, S2, S, T1, T2.
Ah,
What is the mistake you did?
I took D1, D2.
Right. That's the reason I wrote. Right. Next. Case 2. Please write down. Case 2. Case 2. This is another beautiful question. Case 2. What is case 1? They both of them started at the same time. After meeting, they travel unequal times. Case 2. They both start at unequal times. 12 p.m. 2 p.m. 12 p.m. 2 p.m. They met at a point 4:05 p.m. This is A, this is B, this is C. Then C to B by A equivalent to C to A by B. What is the time taken to go from A to B? Please write down these two different cases. Case 1 is they both start at the same time. After meeting, they travel unequal times. Case 2 is they both start at different times. After meeting, they travel equal time periods. After meeting, they will travel equal time periods. Equal time periods. They start at different times. 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 Now see here. Now see here. If I take distance from A to C, first who is traveling this distance from A to C? A is traveling. A will travel from 12 o'clock to 4:05. That means 4 hours 5 minutes. 1 hour is 60 minutes. 4 hours 5 minutes is 245 minutes. A to C. Whatever the distance A will travel before meeting, who will travel after meeting? B will travel. Time period I am calling it as T. Distance from B to C. Who will travel first? SB. Right. How much time? 2 to 4, 5. 2 hours 5 minutes. 125. Whatever B has traveled before meeting, who will travel? A. So SA by SB equivalent to T by 245. SB by SA equivalent to T by 125. Reverse it. T by 125 by T equivalent to T by 245. T square equivalent to 125 into 245. T equivalent to 25 into 5 into 5 into 49. 175 minutes. 175 minutes is 2 hours 55 minutes. From 4-5. They will meet at what time? 7 p.m. What is a T? T is from here to here only, right? Now this is not important to me, sir. You call this one as a T1. You call this one as a T2. What is the answer that I am getting? T square equivalent to T1 into T2. T equivalent to root of T1, T2. Please write down that conclusion. If T1 is the time period from C to B, if T2 is the time period from C to A, conclusion is T equivalent to root of T1, T2. 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 Root of T1, T2. If they start at the different times after meeting, if they travel equal time periods, conclusion is given by T equivalent to root of T1, T2. Root of T1, T2. Root of T1, T2. Case 2. I hope it is clear, right? Next. Side heading like the police versus thief problem. Police versus thief problem. Satya, okay, right?
Started at the same time.
That is case 1. Start at same times, after meeting unequal times is case 1. Start at different times, after meeting unequal time, equal times is right. Next. This is a very, very famous CAT question, sir. Police versus thief problem. Police versus thief problem. Now, see here. There are 2 more problems. Police versus thief problem. Police versus thief problem. Now, a thief escaped from police station. He kept on running. There is a bridge. The length of the bridge is 1000 meters. The length of the bridge is 1000 meters. He stopped at a point C. From C to A, that length is 200 meters. Here is a thief. Police is standing at a point at some distance away from the entrance of the bridge. He is a police and a police chief. See, question. Police can catch the thief. Police can catch the thief either at the entrance or at the exit. If thief comes this side, police will catch the thief at the entrance. If thief comes this side, police will catch the thief at the exit. What should be the ratio of the speed of police to speed of thief such that police can catch the thief either at the entrance or at the exit? Please write the question. A thief is there at a point 200 meters from the entrance of the bridge. 200 meters from the entrance of the bridge. Bridge length is 1000 meters. Police is standing at a point at some distance away from the entrance. Some distance away from the entrance. Police can catch the thief either at the entrance or at the exit. What is the ratio of the speed of the police to speed of the thief? What is the ratio of the speed of the police to the speed of the thief such that police can catch the thief? Police can catch the thief either at the entrance. Police can catch the thief either at the entrance or at the exit. Either at the entrance or at the exit. What is the ratio of speed of the police to speed of thief? I will solve this problem in 3 methods. Method 1. I will locate all the points. I will call this point as a traditional method. Police can catch the thief at the entrance. Police can catch the thief at the entrance. When will police catch the thief at the entrance? If the time taken from D to A by police is equivalent to time taken from C to A by thief. Whatever the time police takes to come from D to A, by the same time thief is there at the entrance. Now what is the time? Time is the distance by speed. X by SP equivalent to, this is 200 by ST. SP by ST equivalent to X by 200. Exit. Exit means time taken from D to B by police equivalent to time taken from C to B by thief. D to B is nothing but X plus 1000 divided by SP equivalent to 800 by ST. SP by ST equivalent to X plus 1000 by 800. Equate both of them, you will get the answer. X by 200 equivalent to X plus 1000 divided by 800. 4x equivalent to X plus 1000. 3x equivalent to 1000. X is 1000 by 3. So answer is SP by ST is 1000 by 3 by 200. 5 by 3. Please write down the traditional method. This method we will not use it. Just for our understanding, to meet at the entrance or at the exit. Time taken by police from D to A should be equivalent to time taken from C to A by thief. It takes a lot of time. Just an understanding of the question. Entrance and exit. Entrance as well as the exit. Method 1 is the traditional method. Method 2 is a relative speed concept, using relative speed. This method is clear by using x and y. Generally, we will try to avoid x and y's in all our classes. Method 2. This will take little time to solve. We'll avoid this. Method 2. Method 2. Relative speed method. Method 2. Relative speed method. Method 2. Relative speed method. Listen carefully. If there, now first of all, whose distance we know? Police from here to here distance we don't know. Thief from here to here distance we know. So let me take the point of reference as thief. Let me take the point of reference as thief. If I take the point of reference as thief, listen carefully. If they are meeting at the entrance, thief is here, police is here. Police and thief are traveling in the opposite direction. Opposite direction. Suppose if thief is here, police is here. They are meeting at the exit. That means if they are meeting at the entrance, they both are traveling in opposite direction. If they both are meeting at the exit, they both are traveling in the same direction. So what I do is, if they both start at the same time, speed is proportional to the distance. The speed, I will use a different language. Relative speed of thief is proportional to the distance traveled by thief. What is the relative speed of thief? Suppose if they both are traveling in the opposite direction, st plus sp. Proportionality, if I remove, I will get k into d. K is the constant, put 1. Equivalent to, what is the distance traveled by thief in entrance? 200. Suppose st minus sp. Well, this is for the entrance. Entrance means they both are traveling in the same direction. Exit means they both are traveling in the, so this is opposite direction, this is same direction. What is the distance traveled by thief? 800. To use a component and dividend, you will get the answer. Please render. Right? Why it is modulus? It is quite evident that speed of police should be greater than speed of thief. Because thief is coming from here to here. By the time he is coming from here to here, police is coming from here to here. Right? So that means two equations will become sp plus st is 200, sp minus st will become 800. So 2sp equivalent to 1000, sp is 500, st is 300. So sp by st will become 5:3. sp by st will become 5:3. This is a relative speed method. Point of reference, why we have taken thief as the point of reference? Because distance traveled by thief, right? Because when they are meeting at entrance, both the police and the thief are traveling in the opposite direction. So plus, if they are meeting at the exit, that means both are traveling in the same direction. Minus, why it is modulus? Police speed is greater than thief speed. This is method 2. Method 3. Virtual positioning concept. Method 3. Method 3. Virtual positioning concept. Idea clear, right? Method 3. Shall I? Method 3. Method 3 is a very interesting method. It will give you answer straightforward, sir. Method 3. Method 3, see here. This is A to B. This is A to B. This is 200. This is 1000. This is a virtual positioning concept. This is police. This is police. Now see here. They both are meeting either at the entrance or at the exit. Listen carefully. Whatever the time thief takes to come from here to here, if police also reaches from here to here, police will catch hold of thief. Yes or no? Now imagine whatever the time that he is taking to travel 200 forward, imagine that he is going backwards. If he goes backwards, whatever the time he takes to travel 200 forward, he is going backwards. That means if he is here, where will be the police? Police will be at this entrance. At this snapshot of time, speed ratio equivalent to distance ratio. Police has to cover total how much? 1000. Thief has to cover remaining how much? 600. What is the answer? 5 by 10. Whatever the time that thief takes to travel 200 meters forward. Suppose if I am standing here, I take some time. I take this point. I will take some time to travel 2 steps forward. I am assuming that if I travel in the same time 2 steps backward, if I travel 2 steps forward, I will meet the one person. If I travel 200 meters forward, I will meet police. Assume that he is moving backwards. By the time the thief is here, where is the police? Police is here. So if police is here, thief is here. At this snapshot of a time, speed ratio equivalent to distance ratio. Police will cover entire 1000, thief will cover remaining 600. This is which question, sir? Right. So, this is question number 36. You can also solve question number 37. Question number 37. So, you are clear?
Yes.
No doubts? 100% sure?
Yes.
Purchase for 2 minutes. Next question. Shiv, okay, Shiv? Next. There is a swimming pool. Let the starting point be A and ending point B. A and B. There are 2 people who started at the same time. They started at the same time. They first met at a point 300 meters from B. They first met at a point 300 meters from B. They both are traveling in opposite direction. They first met at a point 300. After meeting, A reached B. B reached A. They turned around. A reached B, turned around. B reached A, turned around. Second meeting point is at a 200 meters from A. Second meeting point is at a 200 meters from A. What is the length of the swimming pool? What is the length of the swimming pool? What is the length of the swimming pool? First meeting point A, see, his turned around time is almost negligible. So ignore that one. What is the length of the swimming pool? Right. Now there is an important conclusion from this problem. Now, solution. Let the length from A to B is L meters. There is a catch in the question. They started at the same time. If they started at the same time, speed ratio is equivalent to distance ratio. SA by SB equivalent to distance. Before meeting the first meeting point, A has travelled, if the total is L, this is 300. A has travelled how much? L minus 300. B has travelled total 300. Right. Now, it is also equivalent to from the first meeting point to the second meeting point. How much he has travelled? From the first meeting. This is from the starting point till the first meeting point. This is from the first meeting point till the second meeting point. From the first meeting point, 300 plus L minus 200 divided by B. From the first meeting point to the second meeting point. Remaining it is B. How much he has travelled? L minus 300 plus 200. Both are equated with SA by SB. So L minus 300 by 300 equivalent to L plus 100 by L minus 100. If I L minus 300 into L minus 100 equivalent to 300 L plus 300 into 100. L square minus 400 L plus 300 into 100 equivalent to 300 L plus 300 into 100. This cancel. L into L minus 700 is 0. L will be 700 meters. L is 700. Now there is an important conclusion. If I consider 300 as L1, 200 as L2, what will be the equation? L minus L1 by L1 equivalent to L1 plus L minus T2 by L minus L1 plus T2. That conclusion will give you L equivalent to 3L1 minus L2. Please put a star mark. L1 is the first meeting point distance. L1 is the first meeting point distance. L2 is the second meeting point distance. L2 is the second meeting point distance. L1 first meeting point distance, L2 second meeting point distance. So L equivalent to 3 into 300 minus 200. L is 700. L equivalent to 3L1 minus L2. Very, very
Will
important.
it work if L is less than 300 plus 200?
Which one?
The same equation.
You are talking about a L value? No. Here always the ratio, if L is greater than 0, 3L1 minus L2 is greater than 0, 3L1 greater than L2, L1 by L2 is greater than, there will be one ratio, you will get it. So it all depends upon L value less than 300, 300 depends upon 3L1 greater than L2, L1 by L2 greater than 1 by 3. It should be greater than 1 by 3. If it is less than 1 by 3, next. Now, this is not important. Now, this is the first point, length from A to B. Now, please write down, note. Total distance travelled by A and B. I hope it is clear, right? Total distance travelled by A and B in the first meeting point, then we will derive an important conclusion. Total distance travelled by A and B in the first meeting point. Now we will do first meeting point, second meeting point, third meeting point, and so on. See, first meeting point, think logically. If it is first meeting point, if this is L minus 300, this is 300, this is L. Now second meeting point, before the second meeting point, A is reaching the destination, L. B is reaching the destination, 2L, right? Next, here if it is X, this will be L minus X. What is the second meeting point? 3L. Third meeting point, 5L. Fourth meeting point, 7L. Nth meeting point, total distance is given by, nth meeting point, total distance is given by 2n minus 1 into t. Please write down. Nth meeting point. See, Satya, listen. If suppose I am there here, you are there at that point. You are coming here, I am going there. We are meeting in between the journey. It will be L. Okay. Now, next. I went there, L. You came here, L. 2L. Then again you are going back to the source. In between the meeting points, it is L. 2L plus L, 3L. I am there here, L coming back, 2L. You going, coming, 2L. Again in between the meeting points, L, 5L. Nth meeting point is given by 2L minus 1 into D. Nth meeting point is given by 2L minus 1 into D. Which question it is, sir? 38. I think 38 it is 700. It is 700. See, in this, there are some very easy questions, sir. You can directly solve these questions in arithmetic workshop. 20th is, yesterday we solved the 16th question. You remember this? 16th, yesterday we solved this. 16th we have solved it. 20th, it's a question present in our arithmetic book. I am not solving. It's a very easy question. According to me, the easy questions are 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Am I right? See, you remember in one of our classes, we started the class with this concept. In fact, I kept this video also. Please see the 20. Don't go by the traditional method. See the 23rd one. 23rd. Already we discussed this shortcut in our class. A Rohan sells 2 commodities for rupees 12,000. He sells one for a profit of 20%. He sells one for a profit of 20%. These one. Cost price is 5. Profit 1. Selling price is 6. Next one. Loss is 11.11%. These 1 by 9. Cost price 9. Loss is 1. Selling price is 8. But in the question, sells 2 commodities for rupees 12,000 each. 12,000 each. Both are same. First make both of them same. That means 6, 8. How much it will be? Suppose 24 if I take. This will be 4. 24. 24. 24. 3. Multiplication factor. 3. 27. Am I right? Sir, no. That means total selling price. Total selling price is 48. Total cost price will be 23. That means if the selling price is 48, sorry, how much it is? Correct only, right? Huh? 24. Is 24. 5 4s are 20. 8 3s are 24. 1 3s are. Cost price will be
47.
which one?
Cost price is 47.
Cost price is
47.
47. Cost price is 47. Right? SPCP 47. Profit will be 1. Profit SP 48. Profit is 1. SP, how much it is given? 12,000. Please use this method. This will give you answer very fast. Right?
Profit percentage. So,
No, profit percent.
so that 12,000.
Yes, no. Now, what I will do is, I think there are few questions which, takes very less time to solve. Question number 47. 47. See, don't miss this kind of questions, sir. Don't miss this kind of questions. 47. It's always good to play with the answer options. See here, cost of building a wall is 1347. What would be the approximate cost of building the wall if wages increase by 12.5% and working hours per day increases by a fraction of 5%? See, best thing it is, you do with 100 and then simulate it for any value. I hope it is clear. Now, see here, suppose if I do it with 100, suppose first any two values take. If it is a 5% increase or decrease, wages increased by 1 by 20, 105. Then 12.5% drop. 12.5 is 1 by 8. 1 by 8. What is 1 by 8 of 105? These close to 13. 8 13s are 104, right? That means this will become how much? 5% increase or decrease? Sorry, both of them are increase only. Sorry. If both of them are increase, 12.5% increase. Increase means 13 increase. That means 18. Yes or no? 5% increase is 105. That means for 100 there is 118. How much it's increase? 18%. That means there is an overall increase of how much it is? 18%. Play with the answer option. Clear, sir? That is also easy. Next one. I think 46th is also easy, right? Sanju, okay? 46th. What is 46th? See here. 3 men are gambling in a casino royal. They start with the sum of money in the ratio 7:6:5. What is the initial amount? 7:6:5. First person 7/18, second person 6/18, third person 5/18. Okay. Next one. And finish with the sum of money in the ratio 6:5:4. That means 6/15. These 5/15. These 4/15. What is the question? One of them wins 12. 12 means, now if you see, these both are same. That means he is not losing, not gaining. Suppose if I put 18, 15, what is the common multiple? 90. If I put 90, let us see. This will become 18 5s are, this will become 6 are. 35, 36. He kept 35 rupees, got 36 rupees. That means he is losing. First one is losing, second one is not winning, not losing. So third one will win. So third one, what is the difference? Third one difference is 5/18 of k. We don't know the k value. 4/15 of k. What is the difference? How much it is given? 12. From here you will get the answer. Easy.
How is it losing? First one?
First one, you take 7/18, 6/15. 7/18, 6/15, you take any number. K is some value. I took 90, multiple of 50, 90. He kept money 35 rupees. Next he got 30. Okay, how much it is?
1 rupees.
No, 35, 36. Then you take from here. You understood the approach, right? 25, 6, 25, 24. Okay? No, you understood the idea, right? You understood, right? Now, in this, you will do some mistakes. That is, question number 58, you might do a mistake, sir.
The distance they have given, right? So
Question number 50 is your doubt? Okay, what is your doubt?
normal method will not work.
No, normal method will take a lot of time.
No, I am telling that we usually fix distance according to our.
That also probably we'll see. Question number 50 we'll see. First I'll solve easy questions, then I'll come back. See, question number 58. See, there are 58. The mistake which you will do it in. If Rama and Krishna work on alternate days to complete the work, then the work gets completed in exactly 24 days. That means they will come, if R and K denotes the number of days required by Ramu and Krishna to respectively to complete the work independently, how many ordered pair of integral values R and K are possible? Now, tell me which equation is right, which equation is wrong.
First one is wrong.
So this equation is wrong because alternatives. Write down this. So already we know. You remember this one, sir? Already I told you. A by x plus b by y is 1/6. So r minus 12 equal into k minus 12 equal to 12 square. Already we discussed. ABC square. right? This 57th question, there are some tables missing. Anyway, tomorrow we'll discuss.
The LCM method is not possible for this one.
Which one?
58.
58. LCM, in what way you will take? It is values,
No. Normally timing.
no, if it is 12 square, 144, 15 values I will get.
No, I'm not telling that.
Hmm.
Usually time and over questions we solve.
No, LCM of a comma b equivalent to 12 you are taking.
We calculate 1 unit per
Yes.
day.
No, that is,
Total.
here the answer is given, question is asking. A 6 days, B 9 days, A plus B how much? 18 by 3 plus 2. He is saying A x days, B y days, answer is 18. Right. Now what you do is, you try the remaining questions. Question number 50 also I will take it tomorrow, right? 50 also we will find it out. I think tomorrow I will discuss some more escalator questions. I think we can discuss all this tomorrow, and I can discuss some more good reasoning questions also. 40? I will discuss it tomorrow. 49. At 49 it's an easy question. 0. Read the question. I think this does not deserve the discussion also. What is the remainder when n factorial plus 1, n factorial minus 2006? N factorial is added 2006 times. Am I right? 2006 is a multiple of 1003. That is over. 1 minus 2, 3 minus 4. 1 minus 2, what is the difference? Minus 1. 3 minus 4, what is the difference? Minus 1. Minus 1, 1003 times. Minus 1003 divided by 1003.